Have you ever seen water striders jumping and darting on the surface of a lake or a river? And wondered how they're able to do that? A team of researchers at the Seoul National University, the Wyss Institute for Biologically Inspired Engineering at Harvard University, and the Harvard Paulson School have investigated the hydrodynamics and mechanics involved with jumping on water.
A new entry in the Electrolux design competition called MAB eliminates much of the manual work. As an automated cleaning system, it is comprised of hundreds of tiny robots that specialize in the cleaning of all surfaces. According to the designer, MAB will scan and clean up the house using the flight of the mini robots, will also determine the areas in which the house is divided to run custom cleanings. The micro-robot's ability to fly means there is no dusty or filthy area that they cannot touch.
Also into biomechanics, we've developed it for very fast locomotion. In this case, we mimicked and kind of naturally running. The sum of morphology
completed all the tasks yesterday. 7 points. It earned 47 minutes, 59 seconds.
Never seen anything like that.
Very cool, because that I would think would be really hard, especially going back down and stuff. So that was cool.
What it is insane. It's pretty insane.
I felt almost an emotional connection with it. Almost immediately, I could see how, you know.
I thought it was a wonderful piece of technology. The advancements only seem to have gone further from the original.
For a minute there, like, you just wonder if there's actually...
Shoulders and all the joints you expect a human to have, so it was pretty impressive.
Yeah, I did not know robots could do that kind of stuff.